If this found you, God chose this moment for your financial breakthrough. One person just felt that sentence go straight through their body. That's you. This is not random. This is not chance. God, the universe, the force that arranges every detail of existence. It chose this exact second to place this video in your path. The moment you opened it, your gut knew. Maybe a quick shiver. Maybe your breath caught. Maybe your phone suddenly felt alive in your hand. Stay. Don't turn it off. This is your reading. Breathe slow. Let it sink deep. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the noise in your mind quiet down. Feel your heartbeat slow just enough to really hear every word. This moment was chosen for you. Someone watching is already thinking, how does this know exactly what I've been feeling? God knew you were ready. God knew you were hungry for real change. God knew you had done the inner work and were open enough to receive your financial breakthrough. Not just a little extra, but real freedom from money stress, real security, real flow. This video is the confirmation. God chose this moment because you are ready. We are asking one powerful question together. Why did God choose this exact moment to reach you? What is the message? What proof is in the cards that your financial breakthrough is already on its way? Deck is in my hands. Shuffling slowly with pure intention. Every card is speaking directly to you, the one person who needed this most. 5 cards drawn just for you. First card, past energy that was blocking you. 5 of Pentacles, Reverse said cold. Empty. Money. Felt like it was always just out of reach. You saw it flow for others, but never for you. You worked hard, you hoped, you tried everything, still felt left outside in the cold. But reversed, this card says the wall is cracking. The scarcity story is ending. God already started reversing it. You survived that cold season. You learned the lessons. Now the energy turns toward your breakthrough. Second card. What is happening inside you right now? Achi of Pentacles, a golden coin is being placed directly into your open palm from above. This is not hope. This is substance. A real seed. An opportunity. A notification. An idea that pays. A payment that lands. Something tangible is being given to you in this exact moment. You felt it already. Maybe your phone buzzed. Maybe a random thought hit hard. Maybe your gut said, look now. That was the ace. God is handing you the seed of your financial breakthrough. Your only job is to plant it. Third card. What will trigger your breakthrough? Wheel of Fortune wheel is turning. Cycles are changing. Fate is stepping in. What was stuck becomes unstuck. What was slow becomes fast. Luck, destiny, karma, it is turning in your favor. The trigger is coming. It could be one decision, one message, one unexpected event. But when it hits, everything accelerates. The wheel does not ask permission. You are on the upward swing. God chose this moment to tell you, your breakthrough is moving. Fourth card, how your financial breakthrough arrives. Knight of Pentacles, writer. No drama, no shortcuts, just consistent forward motion. Your breakthrough comes through the work and seeds you have already planted. Content payout, affiliate earnings, subscription growth, small trade win, forgotten link that suddenly pays. Knight is slow but unstoppable. Once he starts moving, he does not stop. You already know which app, wallet, or platform this breakthrough is heading toward. God is confirming. It's real. It's yours. It's close. Fifth card, where this ultimately leads you. 10 of Pentacles, Empire. Legacy. Real security you can touch and feel. Money that works for you instead of you working for money. Freedom to live on your own terms. Not just one lucky win. A strong, growing foundation you can build upon and even share. The 10 of Pentacles shows long-term abundance, stability, and enjoyment. God chose this moment because the story ends with you winning and thriving in financial freedom. Proof in the full spread. 5 Rev scarcity reversed gives ace seed given gives wheel fate turns. Gives knight steady arrival gives 10 empire secured. This is your reading. Your financial breakthrough is coming. Full tie-in. Past lack and cold energy has cracked open gives a golden seed is placed in your hand right now gives. The wheel of fate begins to turn in your favor gives steady money rides in gives. A powerful empire foundation is being built. God didn't choose this moment by accident. He chose it because you are ready. The path is clearing, and your financial breakthrough has arrived. What this God chose this moment energy feels like right now. Random notifications suddenly feel meaningful and heavy. Old ideas you forgot about suddenly feel electric and urgent. Your gut whispers check that app again and you find something waiting. Thoughts about money appear without fear, only calm certainty. Dreams show money symbols, numbers, or winning moments that feel real when you wake up. Extended shocking signs your financial breakthrough is coming. Pay close attention. Your phone vibrates or lights up when you think about money. You think about money and an app refreshes or opens by itself. Dreams show cash falling, notifications, or big wins. Repeating numbers appear strongly. 888, 1111, 555. Small unexpected refunds, tips, or bonuses show up. Your gut clearly says today or tomorrow. An old idea, trade, or link suddenly starts paying. Deep feeling of it's already done before you see proof. Synchronicities double or triple number plus money symbol in same hour. Calm, unshakable peace that this is finally happening. Vivid dreams about wealth that leave you energized when you wake. App or notification glitches feel like direct messages from above. No more anxiety or desperation, only quiet knowing. The universe sends little confirmations every few hours. Song, number, memory. The actual breakthrough arrives the moment you fully detach and trust. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice to lock in your financial breakthrough. Take one high leverage action every single day. Post content, set up a trade, send one outreach message. Stop emotional chasing, stay cold and detached. The universe delivers faster when you release desperation. Affirm 3 times a day. God chose this moment for me. Financial breakthrough is coming perfectly. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Log every sign in your notes app, screenshot numbers. Write down gut feelings. Proof builds belief fast. Keep the cold mindset. Hungry for more. Grateful for what you have. Proud but never arrogant. No fear. No doubt. Innovate daily. Test one new thing tool. Angle. Post style. Detach from the outcome. Celebrate every tiny win silently. Then immediately push for the next level. Reminders. Parkinson's law compressed time. No water after 8 p.m. Cut sugar and junk. Brush teeth twice. No touching pimples. Affirmations. Say it out loud 3 times. God chose this moment for me. Financial breakthrough is coming. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows perfectly. So it is. If this hit deep in your soul, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment God chose this moment to claim it. Drop your sign or what you're manifesting below. Thanks for staying until the end. God chose this moment for you. Use every single second wisely. Push harder.